Everybody, this is quick reviews, and we're gonna be reviewing the 3DS XL in 2019. So let's just get started. So this is the front. Ignore the sticker. As you can see, there's two front-facing cameras. We'll get back to that. Here's the side. This is where you charge the device from. This is that's R2 and that's R. Flip around. That is L and LZ. So turn it around. This is the serial number, all of that kind of stuff. What the console is. As you can see, I've got the console in blue. This is the pen, the stylus. I'll show you how that works later. Let me just pop it back in if you want to go in. There we go. The headphone jack. This is where you place games in and out. As you can see, I already have a game in. I'll show you that. Yeah, so let's just get started. I'm going to open the games console up. There's a front-facing camera here, as you can see, and there's the camera that we were already talking about before. This is the joystick. Feels kind of good. The gamepad feels nice and tactile. I'm not sure what this button's for, but okay. X, Y, A, and B. Yeah, feels quite nice. Start and select. Looks, it feels nice as well. This is the speakers, as you can see. Dual facing speakers. This is the thing that lets you get into 3D, or or just normal. And this is the volume. Yeah, this is the home button. And this is the mic, the thing if you want to use a microphone for some reason. Okay, let's turn on the games console. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this on. We're using the power button here, so I'm just gonna press on it. The blue button lights up and it's turning on. Okay, a bit of light. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you the type of apps that it has on it, appearance build. So I'm gonna just put my camera away a bit. Actually, if I do it like this, there we go. I'm gonna speed up. So that is the health and safety information, stuff like that, the boring stuff. Nintendo 3D sound, Nintendo eShop. This is the game I have, the game that you saw at the behind of the device. Pokemon Shop from Nintendo. AR game. This is a pre-installed game. Me Maker. Activity log. Nintendo 3DS camera. Me Plaza. Face Raiders, that's a good game. Pokemon Sun and Moon, I think. I'm not even sure. That's YouTube. As you can see, you can download YouTube in this, which is quite cool. This is the settings. Download, play, anime channel. Kirby Extra Epic Yarn Demo, Nintendo. What the hell is that? Let's see what's in this folder. Nobody shot. Okay. Yeah, we're kind of... Okay, so let me just go back. Okay, actually, no, I'll go into this. So, we're going to use the stylus now. So, I'm just going to get the stylus out. Stylus is here. Okay, we're just going to see how the stylus, performs. I'm not really good at drawing, but I'm just going to draw a smiley face. The stylus feels really good. It feels like an actual pencil. Let me draw my name. It actually feels quite good. Let me draw the date as well. So, what's the date? 19. Yeah, so the stylus feels really good as well. Yeah. You can change the colors, as you can see all of there. Let's go back to the home menu. You could go on the internet as well, the internet browser. Don't need to check my history, but I have YouTube up right now though. Let's go back here. Yeah, that's kind of all I have to say for the 3DS. For a small child, this is probably a good game console. For like their first thing for gaming. This is my first one I got for my gaming history. Yeah, so, but for someone that's like a teenager, maybe a Christmas gift, I don't think they'd really like it, you know, because they're quite needy. You should get them like or something else. But for me, this was efficient. Anyways, please like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think about this video. And yeah, this is Quick Reviews. Peace.